Let's talk about the Healthy Habits Kit. This is by far one of my favorite kits because it gives you some supplementation, which is the foundation for health, right? Healthy food, eating right is the foundation for health. And it also gives you some really great essential oils to kick off your healthy journey. So let's break it down and see what you get in the Healthy Habits Kit. This kit is $195 wholesale. And like I said, a really great price point for a lot of really good products. So first, you get a 5 ml of Balance. Balance can be used aromatically and topically, and this is known as the grounding blend, and it does exactly that. Helps to ground you, body and mind, so calm and relaxing. The next one is a 5 ml of Tangerine. Tangerine can be used aromatically, topically, and internally. It is a great invigorating oil. It's kind of happiness in the bottle as well, and it's also great for detoxification. So this is one that I actually use in my water every single day to help keep my organs nice and running clean. Then we have a 5 ml of lavender. Lavender can be used aromatically, topically, and internally. And think of all things calming for body and for mind. Then we have a 5 ml of frankincense. And frankincense can be used aromatically, topically, and internally, and is known as the king of oils. It can pretty much be used for anything. I personally love it for helping to promote a healthy immune system, helping to promote healthy brain, and helping ease any kind of body tension or anything that you may have. So that's frankincense. And then you get a 5 ml of On Guard. On Guard can be used aromatically, topically, and internally, and is known as the protective blend. So this is going to help with immune support, so helping to keep your immune system healthy. So along with those amazing oils, you also get the foundation for health, again, is food. And so you get whole food supplements known as the Lifelong Vitality Pack. And there are 3 vitamins in this pack, and we're going to talk about them real quick. So first, we're going to do Microplex VMZ. This is your whole food nutrient complex. So this is basically your multivitamin packed with tons of cruciferous greens and just really great, broccoli, kale, sprouts, all the good things that you need to be eating every day. So this is a whole food nutrient. Then we've got our XC Omega, and this is your essential fatty acids. So this is going to be helpful for your cardiovascular system, your joints and brain health. Everybody needs essential fatty acids in their diet. Then we have the Alpha CRS, and this is for our cellular complex. So we are cells from head to toe, and happy, healthy cells mean happy, healthy individuals. So this helps with cellular renewal. And then we have Terrazyme, which are digestive enzymes. And I love this product for several different reasons, but it helps to break the food down in your body so your body doesn't have to work so hard. But it also has, it helps to put the food to work, the nutrients to work faster within your body. It also has an anti-gluten aid in here. So if you have gluten sensitivities, this is really nice to have as well. And then lastly, we have our Deep Blue Rub. So this is going to be a lotion. This is going to be used topically. And this is something that you can apply for any kind of discomfort that you may have. It's great pre and post workout. I love it before and after I work out or do yoga or swim or anything like that. So this is something that you would use topically. It's a wonderful product. So that is the Healthy Habits Kit. It is one of my favorite kits because you get a nice variety of supplementation as well as essential oils, and it's a great price point at $195. So that's the Healthy Habits Kit.